Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related that we are starting off with a new lecture series on Botany Insider, which is related to the complete lower botany section. Yes, we'll be completing all the topics of that are included in the lower botany section, including the cryptogams and the phanerogams, in which we have all the lichens, algae, fungi, and then we have gymnosperms, angiosperms, etc. So we'll be having the complete lecture series in which we'll be understanding about all the topics related to the lower botany with diagrams, with flowcharts, and with each and every important essential component that is actually required for you to get the understanding of how you have to proceed in lower botany. Reason being, lower botany is a topic which students sometimes feel is not that interesting, so we'll try to make it as interesting as possible. We'll try to understand all the concepts in greater depth so that it would be very helpful for your examinations. So this particular lecture series would be helpful for the students pursuing B.Sc in botany. Then we have master students in botany. In addition to the same, all the students who are pursuing or who are targeting the UPSC examination with botany optional, you can rely on these lecture series because we'll be going into complete depth. You can make your notes from this particular lecture series. It would be helpful for you. I have analyze the complete UPSC botany optional syllabus as well, and we will try to incorporate all the possible most important information from each and every topic using various resources. So this video was regarding to let you know that we are starting off with a lecture series. It would be helpful for you. Make sure that you do not forget to share about this particular thing to as many students as possible, because obviously it would be very helpful for a large number of students. We are targeting B.Sc students, master students, and also the students who are targeting UPSC with botany optional. In addition to the lecture series, we will be also uploading all the presentations free of cost on our application. You can download the application from the Play Store or from the App Store. It is available both on the Android and iOS. So download the application right away. You'll get all the notes, all the lecture series presentations free of cost on our applications. We find difficulty in having that resources from where to study, so I'll try to curate the lectures in the best manner possible for each one of you so that you can get the benefit. You can understand the syllabus, you can understand the complete topic in greater depth, and you also have the notes for yourself. So this was for this particular video. I'll see you very soon. More content. We'll start with this lecture series in a day or two. I'll upload all the lecture series on YouTube completely free of cost, so do not worry about it. You can complete your lower botany on Botany Insider at the best possible. You will get all the information, all the flowcharts, all the diagrams at one place. So make sure you like, share and subscribe, and also download our application where I'll be uploading all the presentations. Yes, if you want to have the presentations, that too free of cost, you can download our application and get it from there. So make sure you download it and also subscribe to the channel, subscribe to all the platforms that we have so that you can get the maximum benefit for this particular series. Thank you for joining in. Good luck.